One of the primary causes of a worn gear in a Kitchenaid stand mixer is overuse or misuse. If the mixer is used too frequently or is overstressed with heavy dough or ingredients, the gears can become worn down over time. Another cause could be a lack of lubrication, which can cause excessive friction and wear on the gears. Additionally, if the mixer is dropped or mishandled in any way, it could cause damage to the gears. In some cases, using incompatible or cheap replacement parts can also cause damage to the gears. Proper maintenance and care of the stand mixer can help prevent premature wear and prolong the life of the machine. If you experience any problems with your Kitchenaid stand mixer, don't hesitate to contact us. We are located in Toronto, Ontario and are here to help you. Whether you encounter a worn gear or any other problems, we can get you up and running in no time. We can handle any repair or maintenance needs for your stand mixer, so you can have peace of mind knowing your favorite kitchen appliance is being taken care of by us. Don't hesitate to give us a call.